Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. This is Muhammad Halaluddin, your learning buddy. Today, we will learn T is pronounced like cho. I repeat. Today, we will learn T is pronounced like cho. Okay, let's get started. Please remember, my dear friend, this rule. If the last letter of a word T and if the first letter of the next word Y, then T is pronounced like Ch. For example, my dear friend, it's not you. I repeat, it's not you. But you want to pronounce like it's not you. Maybe this is correct too, but most correct pronunciation, most beautiful pronunciation, and most fantastic pronunciation is it's not you. I hope that you will remember this rule. Okay, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.